I will show you how to generate prompts for ChatGPT for the most popular tasks. So I already opened the ChatGPT website, but we need to install Chrome extension to add a special button to generate prompts. So here's the extension. I'll provide a link in the description in this video. And also you can find it in the Chrome Web Store using this query. So here's the extension. You need to add it to your Chrome. So it's added and it's need to be activated. You can activate it according to the instruction. So it's activated and we can return to the ChatGPT website. We need to update it. And as you can see, we have this button, Get Prompts. You can create prompts for different tasks. For example, if we want to translate a sentence, you can choose this Translate button. Let's type some text. And let's translate it, for example, to the French language. So the prompt is copied and we can just copy paste it. And as you can see, we got the translation. That's it.